actually made from just paper. I saw this Barbie idea on the internet, and I really wanted to try it. Birbie. Like bird plus Barbie. It's honestly so cute.
Take the numbers 2020, watch them turn into love, you know. Just draw a line, add a smile. Magic happens all the while. One little bird, then another one, sitting close in the morning sun. Cheer from the numbers, see them start. Two lovebirds, one sweetheart. Ooh, ooh, draw with me, easy art for you to see. Ooh, ooh, 1, 2, 3, anyone can draw with glee. Ooh, ooh, draw with me, easy art for you to see. Ooh, ooh, 1, 2, 3, anyone can draw with glee.
At first, it looked kind of messy. I didn't think it was going to work. But just wait. I'm just using colored paper, glue, scissors, and tape. Nothing fancy.
Cut it, don't let go. Fold it, cut it, watch it grow. Paper lovebirds in a row. One small step, now look below. We button hard for love. Fold it, cut it, let it show. DIY but make it glow. From one page we make it flow. Cute and easy, steal the show. Snip, snip, don't separate. Wait for that's so great. Snip, snip, don't separate. Whoa, create, fold it, cut it, don't let go. Fold the paper nice and slow. Little secret starts to show. Snip, snip here, don't let go. Magic hiding in the fold. Side by side they start to shine. One small cut and now they're mine. Connected hearts in one straight line. Handmade love so simple, fine. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. From one page our colors flow. Watch our little garden grow. Paper lovebirds flying free, made with just some scraps of me. Tiny wings and hearts that glow. DIY and let it show. Old magazine, colored sheet, turning simple into sweet. Scissors dancing to the beat. Crafting joy is such a treat. Fold it once and fold again. Creativity begins. Little chain of paper friends made with love from end to end. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. From one page our colors flow. Watch our little garden grow. Paper lovebirds flying high, made by hands, just you and I. Simple art that steals the show. DIY and let it grow. No big tools, no fancy things, just imagination's wings. In 5 minutes we can see how beautiful simple can be. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. Hearts connected, soft and slow. Made from love and paper tubes. paper nice and slow. Little secret starts to show. Snip, snip here, don't let go. Magic hiding in the fold. Side by side they start to shine. One small cut and now they're mine. Connected hearts in one straight line. Handmade love, so simple, fine. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. From one page our colors flow. Watch our little garden grow. Paper lovebirds flying free. Made with just some scraps and me. Tiny wings and hearts that glow. DIY and let it show. Old magazine colored sheet. Turning simple into sweet. Scissors dancing to the beat. Crafting joy is such a treat. Fold it once and fold again. Creativity begins. Little chain of paper friends made with love from end to end. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. From one page our colors flow. Watch our little garden grow. Paper lovebirds flying high. Made by hand, just you and I. Simple art that steals the show. DIY and let it grow.
Okay, it's starting to look better now. I wanted it to actually be useful too. So I'm adding little sections to hold things. Now my favorite part, decorating. I'm going for a soft Birbie style. Cute and a little dreamy.
No big tools, no fancy things. Just imagination's wings. In 5 minutes we can see how beautiful simple can be. Paper lovebirds in a row. Cut but never let them go. Hearts connected, soft and slow. Made from love and paper tubes. Fold it, cut it, don't let go. Fold it, cut it, watch it grow. Paper lovebirds in a row. One small snip, now look below. We button hearts below. Fold it, cut it, let it show. DIY but make it glow. From one page we make it flow. Cute and easy, steal the show. Snip, snip, don't separate. Wait for that's so great. Snip, snip, don't separate. Whoa, create, fold it, cut it, don't let go. Take the numbers 2020, watch them turn into love, you know. Just draw a line, add a smile, magic happens.
I think I'm kind of obsessed with this Birbie style now. Still can't believe this started as just paper.
All the while, one little bird, then another one, sitting close in the morning sun. Cheer from the numbers, see them start. Two lovebirds, one sweetheart.
I wasn't sure if it would hold everything, but let's try. Okay, wait. Look at this. It actually works. And it's so pretty.
And draw with